You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back. Today we're discussing the documents commonly needed when moving household goods from California to France. The most useful advice is start early. Customs paperwork often requires letters, residence evidence, signed declarations, and a detailed inventory. These are much easier to assemble before packing than when your shipment is close to departure. For a transfer of residence, documentation may include a copy of your passport, proof of residence in France, a valued inventory, and a signed non-resale declaration. Depending on your situation, a certificate of change of residence or an employer letter may also help demonstrate that you lived abroad and are relocating to France. The valued inventory is especially important. It should describe the goods in a clear, practical way and assign values where requested. Think of it as a customs and logistics document, not just a packing note. Higher value items, electronics, artwork, and specialty belongings should be accurately identified. Used household goods may qualify for duty relief when relevant conditions are met. These conditions can include residence history, the duration of ownership and use, the purpose of the move, and when the shipment arrives. Custom authorities make the final decision, so your paperwork should be reviewed for your individual situation. Do not pack key documents. Keep passports, travel records, proof of residence, employment papers, and other irreplaceable documents with you. Your moving coordinator can help explain what should be gathered for the household goods shipment. But immigration status and customs clearance, these are separate processes. Once your documents are organized, focus on the physical shipment. A professional survey helps determine volume, shipment method, packing needs, and whether sea freight, air freight, storage, or combined plan fits your move. Most full household move by sea, while air freight is used only for selected essentials. Before delivery in France, confirm the final address, access conditions, building policies, parking, elevators, and delivery timing. Your French customs file should begin before packing begins. SDC International Shipping helps California households prepare a practical, door-to-door international moving plan, including packing, shipment coordination, and document guidance. Give us a call at 877-339-0267 or visit our website, sdcinternationalshipping.com.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.